Psychology tricks to manipulate like a fictional character. 1. Gaslighting. This short word has extreme powers and is one of the most useful tricks. It involves someone questioning their reality. It's often used to gain control over someone by making them doubt their own thoughts, experiences, or feelings. Gaslighting can occur in relationships, workplaces, friendships, and even on a larger societal scale. For example, imagine that you asked your friend that you have a crush on your classmate. Later, you can deny him by saying, "I didn't say that." You must be imagining things. Even you can say something like, "You said that you like her personality and I agreed." This will make him doubt his reality. But the main thing is that you should do it carefully. 2. Cunningham's law. When you want to get the most accurate information and answer, you can use this trick. Instead of asking a question, make a false statement. It is more common that someone doesn't tell you something on asking straight. On the other hand, people are quicker to correct a wrong or false statement. Consider this example. When you are with your classmate and you want to find out the age of your teacher, say to him, "Miss Angela looks so young and beautiful at the age of 37. He will automatically correct you by saying she is not 37, she is 32, but still, she looks less than her actual age. 3. Reverse comparison technique. If there is a girl you like in your school or college but she is dating someone else, you can get her by using this trick. First, you need to have a good bond with her, and you are with her alone. Start to talk about her boyfriend. Like every girl, she will say that her boyfriend is perfect. Say to her, "No one is perfect in this world. He is still a human, not an angel." This will make her say, "Yeah, he still has some mistakes," and she will start telling you some of his guilties. Now change your card. Start to defend her boyfriend. As a human, she will first defend herself and then her boyfriend. And for defending herself, she will tell multiple mistakes of her boyfriend. That's it. She will automatically find a million defects in her boyfriend. No one is perfect, but she will think that her boyfriend is not good for her. You can also say, "If he is that wrong, then why are you dating him? You can find someone who takes care of you." This will make her think that you are someone taking care of her right now, and she will start taking an interest in you. 4. Silent pressure. How to know if someone is lying? There are multiple ways to identify the liar, but I'm going to tell the most useful trick. If you suspect that someone is lying, focus on his hands. If he moves them, then it means he is lying. Look into his eyes silently with strong eye contact and calm expressions. People hate silence and feel unsafe. He will start giving more details and stories to make it sound more truthful. Remember, if he does this, he is lying. Remember, it's not always the same. Sometimes people give more explanation when they want us to believe them. Please subscribe to learn more psychology tricks.